The sensor must be replaced if you encounter the following situations. The ESP warning light remains continuously on the dashboard, not just flashes intermittently when the car skids. A diagnosis with the diagnostic tool indicates a permanent error on this ESP or Yaw Rate sensor. Other associated dashboard warning lights come on simultaneously, such as the ABS or TCS, traction control system. 1. Open the front passenger door and slide the passenger seat all the way back to access the 2 bolts on the rail. 2. Unscrew the 2 bolts using a Torx bit spline M8. 3. Slide the seat all the way forward to access the other 2 bolts in the back. 4. Unscrew the other 2 bolts in the back using the same Torx bit spline M8. 5. Leave the seat back and disconnect the 2 plugs under the carpet, black and yellow. Six. Unscrew the plastics on the edge of the carpet to access under the carpet. Seven. Lift the carpet and under it, you will find the ESP sensor, which is connected to a plug and is held in by 2 10mm nuts. You can find your rate or ESP sensor below in the video description. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.